Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can show bookmarks bar on your Microsoft Edge. Okay, so this is a new method. I will show you how you can make it. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. You can see my bookmark is showing here. Even I open any website like this, my bookmarks still show there. Okay, sometime what happen, it is only show on new tab. Okay, and when you open any website like this, it won't be show here. It is don't show here. So what we can do to make appear on the top your bookmarks bar always show on the top. So what you can do, just go to this three dot option, go to the settings here. Under the setting we need to go in this option, which is that appearance. Okay, and here just scroll down and find out this option, which is toolbar, customize which buttons always show on your browser. Just tap on it. Now you can see the option called the favorites bar. Okay, in Microsoft Edge bookmarks also called favorites bar, so you can find it. And here you can see there is the three option: always, never, and only on new tab. If you click on only on new tab, then when you open the new tab, there only you can see the your bookmarks. But when you open any website like this, the bookmarks will be gone. Okay, so if you want always there, your bookmark always there, you need to select that always, and when whatever you open, your bookmarks will be visible to you. So you can right click on that bookmarks like this and open to the new tab. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.